Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to access credit report on Credit Karma. So let's get started. First of all, in order to access your credit report, you'll first need to log into a Credit Karma account. Launch open a web browser and type in creditkarma.com and search. Now in the sign in area, go ahead and enter your email address and then your password in the respective text boxes. Once you are done entering your credential, click on Login. After you are logged into your Credit Karma account, look for a section labeled Credit Reports or Free Credit Report. Simply go ahead and click on it and you will be able to access two other options that says Equifax and TransUnion. Credit Karma provides free access to these two reports but may not show reports from Experian. Click on the option for the bureau you want to see the report from, and this will open up your credit report for that specific bureau. So that is how you can easily access your credit report on Credit Karma. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.